Yeah, hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Snibe MAGLUMI FA Folic Acid CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay reagent kit. Yeah, you can see this. This is the brand name Snibe Diagnostics, and the product name FA Folic Acid chemiluminescence immunoassay reagent kit. Yeah, this is used to test the level of folic acid in the sample. Yeah, over here you can see the content of this reagent kit. This comes up with 2.5 ml of magnetic microbits, 2 ml of calibrator low, 2 ml of calibrator high, and 7.5 ml of pre-treated reagent 2, and 12.5 ml of ABA label, and 15 ml of DDT buffer, and 1 bottle pre-treated reagent 1, and 2 ml of control 1 and 2 ml of control 2. Yeah, these are the content present inside. Yeah, after that you can see this. You want to reconstitute the pre-treated reagent 1. Here is the note, and this is the reference number 130263001M. Yeah, this is the reference number of this product. The shelf life of the product is 18 months. Yeah, after that you can see this is a C certified IVD product. Yeah, over here pictorial representation you can see this product should be keep away from light, and this product should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Yeah, so that only I am using ice pack to maintain the product temperature. Yeah, this is a 100 test kit product. Yeah, over here you can see the manufacturing detail of this product. Yeah, these are the content present in it. Yeah, I'm just going to show you other side of this pack. Yeah, this is the top view. Yeah, this is the other view of the pack. Yeah, here you can see the brand name Snibe MAGLUMI and product name FA Folic Acid, and this is the reference number 130263001M. The other details are there. Yeah, over here also you can see the brand name. Yeah, that's all the content present outside the box. Yeah, I'm just going to unpack this for your reference. Yeah, you can see this is the instruction manual for Snibe MAGLUMI FA CLIA reagent folic acid. Yeah, you can see the what are the information present inside. Yeah, here you can see that test principle and reagents, and what is the precautions and storage details and reagent handling. All the stuffs are present here. Yeah, here also you can see the specimen storage and sample handling and other details. Yeah, I'm just going to place this aside. Yeah, after that you will be having a certificate of quality assurance and approval. Yeah, you can see this is from a manufacturing side. Yeah, I'm just going to place this aside. Yeah, after that you will be having a stickering of a folic acid control 2 and folic acid control 1 each 4. Yeah, this is ABA labeling sticker. I'm just going to place this. Yeah, after that you will be having an reagent seal. Yeah, this is of 3 number. This is a MAGLUMI reagent seal for folic acid. Yeah, I'm just going to place this aside. Yeah, after that you will be having this. I'm just going to take this out. Yeah, here you can see this is MAGLUMI FA Folic Acid Control 1. This is of 2 ml. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to place this aside. Yeah, after that you will be having MAGLUMI Folic Acid CLIA Control 2. Yeah, you can see the brand name Snibe over here and other stuff's details. Yeah, I'm just going to place this aside. Yeah, after that you will be having pre-treated folic acid reagent 1. Yeah, you can see this is in a solid powder form. Yeah, I'm just going to place this aside. Yeah, after that you will be having reagent kit for MAGLUMI FA Folic Acid CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay reagent kit. Yeah, you can see the brand name Snibe MAGLUMI and the product name Folic Acid CLIA, and this is a C certified IVD product. Yeah, over here you can have the reagent content, what are the reagent present in it. You can see 2.5 ml of magnetic microbits, 2 ml of calibrator low and 2 ml of calibrator high, and 7.5 ml of pre-treated reagent 2 and 12.5 ml of ABA label and 50 ml of DDT buffer. These are the reagent present in it. In this pictorial representation you can see that this product should be always in upside direction, and this product should be keep away from sunlight, and the product should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and this product is for 100 tests. These are the stuffs present in it. This is the top view of the reagent kit. This is the back view. That's all about it. To summarize it, Snibe MAGLUMI Folic Acid chemiluminescence immunoassay reagent kit consists of one instruction manual and 1.5 ml of control 1 and 1.5 ml of control 2 and one bottle of pre-treated reagent 1 and the certificate for quality assurance and the reagent seal for folic acid and ABA label 4 for control 1 4 for control 2 and the reagent kit. This reagent kit consists of 2.5 ml of magnetic microbits, 2 ml of calibrator low, 2 ml of calibrator high, 7.5 ml of pre-treated reagent 2, 12.5 ml of ABA label and 50 ml of DDT buffer. These are the whole content present in Snibe MAGLUMI Folic Acid CLIA reagent kit. Thank you.